In this simple video, we are going to take a look at how you can download the official Windows 11 ISO for free. So let's get started. Go to the Microsoft website. Link to this particular page will be in the video description. Once you are here, go to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section and click on the Select Download. Now choose the option Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISOs for x64 devices and click the Download button underneath. Now select a language for your ISO by clicking on the Choose One drop-down menu. Browse and choose your desired language from this menu, and once you did, click Confirm. Now click the newly appeared 64-bit download button, and that will start the Windows 11 ISO download. And that's how you can download your official Windows 11 ISO in a nutshell. If you need assistance with Windows 11 installation, watch this full-scale, in-depth, easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Or if you just want help with the Windows 11 media creation, watch the other video. Thanks for watching.